Morning, guys. Just wanted to show you the world's greatest washdown hose. The nozzle isn't anything special. Works well, but this hose is great. I've had the coiled ones, I've had the expandable ones, I've had straight ones. This is a Amazon stainless steel special. Put a little clip on here to hold the excess because I got a 10-foot hose in a 20-foot boat, and sometimes there's a little too much. But if I need it, I just see if it's on camera there. Yeah, just give her a tug. She pops out of there. I can wash the whole boat down. Got some spiders and some coal dust this morning. Otherwise, just hang her up on the bimini right here. She's good to go. Doesn't get in your way. Lays flat. Yeah, it's great. Thanks for watching.